Hey YouTube, just a little breakdown of my 71 Mach 1. Okay, we could definitely start off with the engine. It's a 351 Cleveland, board 30 over, so 357 Cleveland. Stock compression. I do have a Power Master starter and its Power Master alternator. It's got Hooker headers, 6915s. It's fueled by a Edelbrock Performer 750. It's got an MSD 6AL2 ignition. It has two-step, and I have an Optima battery. It does have a Comp Cams 274H cam. Runs great, drives great. It's very drivable on the street. And aluminum radiator and dual electric fans. I could sit in traffic. Literally runs at 160 degrees. All day long, sitting in traffic on a hot summer day. The interior is pretty stock, pretty basic. I redid the door panels. The front seats are actually from a 69 through 70, 69 and 70 Mustang. If you remember the 71 Mustang seats, they're really slim and narrow. I had these reupholstered in the Mach 1, in the Mach 1 upholstery. It does match the rear seats perfectly. The door, when I first got the car, it did come with the deluxe door panels. I wasn't a fan of those, so I did opt for the regular door panels. Converted everything. I did paint all the hardware black to get rid of the chrome. I did go with a different steering wheel. I just got this off of CJ Pony Parts. I'm not even sure what I paid for it, to be honest with you. I did convert the gauges. It does have the Mach 1s did come with a triple gauge cluster in the center. I did change them out to a Bosch style mechanical gauge, just cheap and easy. If I do go fuel injection on this, I'll probably change those out to the Holley style, or even integrate some kind of Holley screen. It does have a sport 4-speed in it. It's a 4-speed top loader. Brand new rebuilt transmission. It does have a Hurst competition shifter. It's got a spec stage 2 clutch. It is still utilizing the equalizer bar, the Z bar, the equalizer bar that came factory in 1971. This is a factory automatic car, so somebody previously performed a conversion. I just rebuilt all the parts, made everything work perfectly. The reason why I didn't go with a hydraulic clutch versus the Z-bar is because if I'm ever broken down somewhere, I could pretty much fix a Z-bar with a coat hanger. With a hydraulic clutch, you're on the side of the road, you're not going anywhere. If you've ever driven a 71 through 73 Mustang with the sports roof like this, you will notice that you cannot see out the back window, especially with the louvers on. The guy I got the car from, he had the louvers and he never put them on. He said I couldn't see out the rear window. you'd rather be cool than be comfortable. So what I did is I actually installed a backup camera, and I don't have a screen or anything. I have the backup camera in the mirror itself. So I hit a button, it turns the backup camera on, and I could see behind me as I'm driving with no glare. The reason why I put it on a button is because at night I don't want it flashing in my face, shining in my face. This car is also equipped with 73 convertible rear windows. In 1973, the convertible rear windows were electric rear windows. So I did convert the rear windows to electric rear windows. So now when you roll the front window down, you could also roll the back window down. There's no pillar there. It makes for a very clean look. That's it for this episode. I'll have more videos to come. I'm probably going to take it to a weigh station. I'm really interested to see how much this big fat car weighs. So I'll let everybody know what it comes in at. I'll make a video of that. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to have way more content in the future. Thanks for watching.